That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, today's video is a nap time clean with me, and I hope that it gives you the cleaning motivation that you need to get some things done while your little one is taking a nap. So first things first, we are going to start here in my master bedroom. I did just put Logan down, and I always turn on her sound machine, and she usually just goes right to sleep for her nap time. This is her first afternoon nap, so she usually sleeps for about an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours, and that's plenty of time for me to get some things accomplished. So in my master bedroom, I'm starting first off with cleaning the nightstands off, because they are collecting a whole lot of junk food and trash. But anyway, after I do that, I do plan on changing my sheets, because Lucas accidentally peed in my bed, and because I am the mom, I'm supposed to change the sheets once somebody pees in the bed. So yeah, I have to do that today, and then I'll start on some laundry.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along.
Moving on to a little bit about me. If you are new here, my name is Denise. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2. I have a little boy named Lucas, and he is 3, soon to be 4 in November. And I also have a daughter, which you saw earlier. Her name is Logan, and she is 4 months old.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Before I put on the clean sheets, I do spray my mattress pad with a little bit of Lysol spray. I didn't see any proof that it was wet since Lucas peed in the bed, but I did spray it. I think I caught it just in time. It wasn't a big, huge wet spot. I just knew that it happened, so I just want to go ahead and take care of it. And I also used some apple champagne and honey body mist spray by Bath and Body Works. Just let me know in the comments, do you all like to spray your sheets with something other than Lysol? And if you do, just let me know what it is, because if I do see it, I would like to give it a try for myself.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on.
So before we head on to the laundry portion, I am going to spray my bed one last time and give a little look-see at Logan, just to make sure she's doing well. She sleeps like a charm. I'm very blessed that her nap times are so easy lately. So as you can see, this is the madness that is happening in my washing machine on the drum. It has collected some, I guess, detergent. I don't know what that white stuff is, but I saw it and I was grossed out, so I'm going to be taking care of it by wiping it up with some Clorox wipes. And I do like that scent. I found them at the Dollar Tree, and yeah, I'm just going to give it a go wiping down before I put my clothes in there.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt. The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy. Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood.
Me wiping down the washing machine and the dryer was a might as well moment. I had no real intentions on wiping down my appliances today, but as I was wiping the drum, I noticed that they were dusty as well, so I just went ahead and cleaned them off too.
Arms of gold, I rise from the ashes. With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
So moving on to the living room, I'm sure if you've been here long enough, I've mentioned that Lucas does not nap. Like I said, he'll be 4 in November, and he hasn't napped in probably over a year now. But anyway, I am going to try to clean up as much as I can. On camera, I do a majority of the cleaning up of the small toys off camera because I just wanted to make sure that I got everything that I wanted to get done in here before Logan woke up. So yeah, you just see me picking up some of his toys. He does try to assist me, but for the most part, he does a whole lot of playing behind my back in this video. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm just going to be cleaning off my coffee table. I'm also going to move on to the TV and the TV console and clean those off, or just dust them really well before I move on to the vacuuming.
Got nothing in return from my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you and you, but so you and I'm not surprised by what I found.
When I vacuum, I do try to remove the cushions from my love seat and my sofa as of late, because I'm starting to realize that there's a lot of life being lived on my chairs, and I'm always finding a bunch of crumbs, a bunch of small toys, and yeah, I'll just try to clear that all out. And I'm also going to vacuum my area rug very, very, very well, because I am next going to be shampooing the carpet.
I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away.
why I feel the need to shampoo this area rug today. My dog had an accident all over this rug here, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of the shampooer that I'll be using. It is the Hoover Smartwash. I love this thing. I got this for Mother's Day. I'll have that linked in my cards for you guys if you want to watch my birthday vlog. But anyway, it has a wash and dry indicator. It lights up. It has the power handle, and it also has a dirty water tank, and it has the clean water tank, and they are both large capacity in my opinion. And on the left side, it does have the handle release so that it can go back, so you can push it forwards and backwards. And you also have the dry only setting where you can suck up way more water that you did not realize was still on your carpeting. It doesn't get it bone dry, but it's dry enough. And it also has the solution container in the back.
I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. I'll make it worth your while.
And as you can see, that spot is gone, and so are any other spots that were there. I'm very pleased with it. Did y'all see Lucas' little feet walking by? But anyway, everything is nice and clean now, and as you can see, the dirty water is filthy. I don't think I cleaned my area rug for like 3 months now, so yeah, I'm glad that I was able to have the time to do it today. And the living room is fresh, clean, everything is back to normal, and I think that I have time to spare. I did not hear Logan cry one time, so after I give you guys this overview, we are going to go upstairs to see how Logan is doing. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. I really do appreciate you all who have watched to the end. Thank you so much for just being here with me today, and I hope that you got some good cleaning motivation from me. I feel like I got a lot accomplished. Like I said, Logan usually takes a nap for about 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours, and I think that I was very resourceful with my time, and as you can see, she is still asleep. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, help your girl get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.